Greetings and salutations and welcome to another Inventor video. In today's video we're going to be making a candy cane, carrying on with the theme of CADMAS. Here's what I prepared earlier and here's what it should hopefully turn out. Standard candy cane shape, couple of first edges and the distinctive red and white stripe. So that any more talking and bumbling about, let's get on with it. So we're going to find a sketch and let's start with defining a line. So let's start with 100, all the way to the top, click OK. Now I've got arc, tangent. What we then need to do is if we define it as, 25, so that's our diameter, to diameter 25, and put an angle, 150? 150 looks good to me. And just along to the edge, we're just going to make a wee 5mm extension, and we're just going to set that tangential. Perfect. Finish that sketch and go start another sketch. So you can just select the XZ plane, start the circle, and we can make this, let's go 8mm, and you can click finish, and then you click the sweep command. It should automatically detect the profile and the path. Just select it and you get the distinctive hook of a candy cane, and click OK. And that's the general shape pretty much sorted. The next part is to actually split the candy cane up into a distinctive spiral, and to do this we're going to do very much what we did similarly last time, but we're going to start a new sketch on the bottom of it, build a line just going across. It doesn't really matter that much, just as long as it goes across. Click OK, finish the sketch, and then what you then go is go into sweep 1 and sketch 1, right click and go on share sketch. This will save us from redefining it, and it basically means we can reuse it again, because we're now going to sweep this bottom line along the path that we just shared. So what it's now done is it's created a surface that's now going to pass through it. Now what you can now do is put a twist into it, which will spin it around. So if you put 360 in, you get 360. You put 720 in, get more. If we go for 1440, get even more, so on and so forth. Let's put it at, 1800, click OK. What's happened here is we've now got a nice spiral going through it. So now the last thing to then do is just use the split command. And so you just go click split solid, and then you're just going to use the surface we made as a split tool, click OK, and what you've now done is you've now split it into two. Now, so you can now just make that surface invisible. If you go up to solid bodies, you can see you now have two distinct bodies. Now if you make one side invisible, you now can see each half of the candy cane. So I think a little bit of colour is in order. So let's go with, let's go with smooth red and smooth white, smooth red. Let's go back to side 2, disable side 3, go back on to your appearances and go to smooth white. Now you can make them all reappear, and there you go, that's most of it done. The last kind of little finishing touches are fillets on the ends. My mouse does it properly, which you can just pop on, and we can say 2.5, 3, 4, perfect, and click apply. Unfortunately, it has just seemed to have just messed up that part, but don't worry, we can just readjust it. Make that red. Make the other part white, red, and white. And so we just spin it around. There you go. One Candycane up. I just changed my view to realistic. There you go. It actually looks like a convincing Candycane. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.